Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get a free Apple TV on Apple TV. To do this, first we'll need to click on our Apple TV icon right here, then navigate to Apple TV Plus. Right here you'll be able to find accept 3 months of a free trial, and this will give you the free 3 months trial. After that you will need to pay a certain amount of price that you can see on the left. And now to actually get it, we'll need to confirm it with our Apple device. That means our iPhone, iPad, or the iWatch, or however it's called, the smartwatch. Then we can confirm it also with the password. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.